Who else? Somebody in there?
Yes, people in there.
Put the shit back. Put the shit back. Put the shit back. Did you buy it?
Huh?
Did you buy it?
I'm trying to buy it.
All right, put it back. Put everything back. Come on. Y'all robbing it?
Not even.
Come on. Everybody got to let go. Come on.
That's crazy.
Man, put the shit back.
I'm putting everything back.
Put everything back where it's supposed to be. We over here at Family Dollars. Put it back. Come on. Everybody got to go. Come on. You got to be a good neighbor, man. Come on, man. I'm making Buffalo look bad, right?
I'm at Family Dollars. I went to the ATM.
You good, bro. You good. You good. You just using the ATM. I understand, brother. Yo! Everybody in there got to go. You robbing the store? Come on. Everybody got to go. Put the stuff down and leave. Come on.
I'm not robbing no store. I can't.
Everybody got to go. Put the stuff down.
I'll give you the money.
Put the stuff down.
I'll give you the money.
Put the stuff down.
I'm
No.
gonna put the money in my hand.
Ain't nobody working here. Come on. Put the stuff down.
All right.
There we go.
I was gonna give you the money.
Let's go. Put all the stuff down. Come on. Everybody got to go.
I was trying to see if something was working.
There's,
I was gonna give you the money.
I don't have, like,
I was gonna give you the money.
there ain't no money. Ain't nobody working here. Come on. Everybody got to go.
I'm getting out of here, but I wasn't trying to steal nothing. I was looking for a worker.
You got to get plywood. Close it, man. Making us look bad.
They destroyed the camera room.